order the following whole numbers from greatest to smallest. So in this case, we are ordering the numbers from their greatest value down to the least value or the smallest value. So the best thing to do is really to organize these numbers, and here we have 5 numbers, 5 whole numbers. Organize those in a vertical column and make sure that the digits are all aligned according to their place value. So let's start with 654, 645. Next is, and again, I would start from the units digit to make sure that we don't get digits in the wrong value, and make sure you're spreading these numbers out so that it's clear which place value they're in. So 5, 6, 5, 6, and the next one is 5, 6, 6, 5, and the next one, the last one, is 6, 5, 6, 5. Now, when we talk about place value, these are the units, obviously, these are the tens, these are the hundreds, and these here are the thousands. Now, we're looking for the greatest, so it's kind of easy in a way. We just look in the first place value where there are digits, and we're looking for the greatest face value number. And here we've got a 6, a 5, and a 5. For this, 6 is the greatest face value. It's not beaten by anything here, which is a 0 effectively, another 0 effectively. That's a 5, that's a 5. They're all less than 6. So we know that this one is definitely our greatest. So we're now left with 654, 645, and then these last two numbers here. Again, these guys are still in the zeros, but here we have a 5 and a 5, so it's a battle, really. We have to compare this number and this number. So 5 and 5, the next place value over, which is the hundreds, we've got a 6 and a 6, so that still doesn't help. They're still even. They're still neither one looks like it's greater than the other at this point. So we go over to the tens place value, and here we have a 6 and a 5. So 6 is greater than 5, so we know that this one is the next greatest number, and we also now know that this one comes next. And then we go up to the top numbers. We've got a 6 and a 6, so that doesn't help. We've got a 5 and a 4. 5 is bigger than 4, so we know 6, 5, 4 is bigger than 6, 4, 5, and that is the correct order.